So today, as you guys see, it's a Sunday and the office is closed, and you think none of us are working here, but let me show you one thing. It is Sunday and here you can see our merchandising team. We are preparing for the Bangalore Exhibition, where normally jewelers, they get their stock that is not selling for the exhibition. Here you are getting completely fresh stock that is just coming in. They are just opening all the parcels over here. Let me show you how many parcels are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we can see there also there's Shravani opening one more parcel. So there is one more here, which is all the new jewelry that we are getting, and we have to save and secure this, and we get it completely just for the exhibition. And this time we are more excited because last time we had the most successful Bangalore exhibition. So this time even our team, normally Sunday is not a working day for the office, but they are working only to get all the items barcoded in time for the exhibition so that they reach you. And let us ask the team how they feel and doing over this. Subhash, exhibition के लिए preparation में कुछ बोलना चाहता है?
बैंगलोर एग्जीबिशन के लिए हम लोग पहले से प्रिपेयर हो गए थे, पर अपने पास माल थोड़ा और ज़्यादा आके जमा हो गया था, तो इसलिए वो प्रिपरेशन अपने को और ज़्यादा करना है बोल के हम लोग संडे से कंटिन्यू ड्यूटी कर रहे हैं, तो ताकि अपने को और कस्टमर के लिए बेटर सर्विस और बेटर माल स्टॉक सब कुछ गए जैसा हो जाना.
We are going to showcase to you every item that we're getting before with influencers, and also our store. We are getting a bunch of stock which is in Kanti necklaces, the Chand necklace, the Rani Hars, and a lot more new designs, some 18 karat new designs, and even our pearl jewelry. In case you want us to get anything, you need to tell us much before the exhibition, because right now it is still 1 week left. We are coming for next Saturday, but we have to still start packing. From the last 14 days, we have been preparing for one exhibition in Bangalore, and that's how much it takes. And unlike normal stores, I assure to you, we don't get any dead stock or non-moving stock. We are getting to you fresh stock that is always moving, which is directly from the factory, so that whenever you come to our exhibition, you like and select the latest and fresh stock which is always there. And in this vlog, I will showcase to you, me and Chanchal, what all we are doing in the exhibition and how the process goes and how much it takes for preparation of this one. So now we are in the store. Let me show you one more hardship we go through before the exhibition is happening. Come here. So these are all the exhibition boxes, what they are trying to take. Don't take. These are for Bangalore customers. So all of these boxes are reserved for Bangalore customers, but they want to sell it to the customers here, and we have to tell them not to sell it. No. These are all the reserve order customers, and our salesmen here want to sell it in Hyderabad, but we have to control them to sell it in Bangalore always. So right now, let me show you the room where all of you Bangalore customers are replying and messaging, and all the online chatting happens. Where this is a room, our showroom is right there, and whenever you inquire for anything, these are our online CRMs who are replying to all your inquiries. मेरे को बोलो guys, Bangalore से inquiries कितना आ रहा है? बहुत आ रहा। मिनी इंक्वायरीज मेरे को बोलो, बैंगलोर अभी स्टॉक लेकर जा रहे, तो क्या क्या लेकर जाना?
रानी हरम लेके जाना, और चांद नेकलेस ले इंक्वायरी सारा, 2-3
ग्राम चोकर, मून नेकलेस, जाली वो सब. और फिर तुम्हारे बैंगलोर में कितने कस्टमर्स को चैट कर रहे अभी? 20-31% एवरीडे बैंगलोर का. तो गाइज, whoever is chatting, प्लीज कम विजिट द एग्जीबिशन. बोलना है क्या? देखो इधर जैसे प्री रिजर्व, एज यू नो, हमारा इधर लिखा हुआ है 30, 31 एंड 1 Feb बैंगलोर शेरेटन ग्रैंड. उसके हिसाब से रिजर्वेशंस हो रहा है, ऑर्डर का बुक हो रहा है. एंड दिस इज द टीम. अगर मिलानी है तो मिल लेना. नैन्सी, संध्या, शिवा, महेश एंड आरती उधर डोर के बाहर जो है. So as you guys know, last time we had come for the Bangalore exhibition and we fell short of necklace boxes, trays, necklaces, everything. So we had to get more stock in the middle of the exhibition and get packing material also. So this time we have to go a lot more well prepared. So which is why we are planning everything more meticulously. And we know if we get more stock, more employees and a bigger stall, we can better serve you, which is why we are trying. And this is how we are showing our effort, how it goes out, not just in marketing but also in tagging and packing the right materials so we can give you the best service. And we know that all of you guys who are sitting in Bangalore love us a lot and shop online and want to visit our exhibition every time. And we are so thankful and grateful for all your love and support whenever we come to Bangalore, and which is why I'm showing what all happens behind so you guys can come and support us better and shop with us. And also I would like to say that we are expanding our team. We are still a single store, but still we are trying to become a very big corporate run store in which we can service you much better. So don't be afraid or scared to buy online. We are doing all of these efforts just to gain your trust. And if you're seeing right now, a lot of Bangalore customers are texting me that the website is not working. So the website is under construction for the next 25 days. When it comes up, it'll come up with all the designs. But in the meanwhile, if you want to shop, do video call, WhatsApp message and shop with us. As you saw, we have 5 to 6 online agents who are ready to chat with you. You can just immediately book the product. Within 2 to 3 days, it'll be with you. In case you're ordering, it'll take a longer duration. And we here at PJE are always thankful for our biggest customer base out of Hyderabad, which is Bangalore. And we want to come there. We'll try to come at least once every 2 to 3 months. And if you think we should get some collection for you, please do comment below and tell us what do you want us to get.